Land ho. Cars in sight. First day in port. Cove, Dominican Republic. Beautiful. Coming into port in Dominican Republic. He's fixing to back us in. Amber Cove's over there somewhere. Show these guys down here getting ready to tie the ropes up. Yeah, couldn't ask for a better day. Hopefully it'll stay like this with no rain. Trying to get off the Carnival ship. Organized chaos. Hey.
Welcome to Amber Cove.
We're here.
There you go.
Entering through the tax and duty-free shop and headed on into Amber Cove. Get you some great Dominican Santo Domingo coffee. Look at all the fish. Here's the big amber thing. Deb, you hear dinosaurs anywhere?
Caleb, make sure you get out of the way.
That's a big piece of amber. Those plants. Waterfall. Man-made rocks, but pretty. Jurassic Park reference. Amber with the bugs. Frozen in it.
Y me diagnosticaron mal de amores que me ha subido la bilirrubina. Me sube la bilirrubina. Me sube la bilirrubina. Cuando te miro y no me...
From the downtown of Puerto Plata. Now we're going to do today.
Okay, thank you. Thank you.
Gallon through Cointady. It does propane gas station that we're using in the kitchen too. They are moto taxi. We call moto concho. People. Looking over there. 17th century. Still is a standard apartment.
City Hall. Christmas decorations still out down here. There's Santa Claus. Ice cream and our bus. Motorcycles and scooters everywhere.
We were 17 years old
father the country.
When the Haitian discovery that he come here for the independence, he was still to Europe because the original family from Trinity. Now, this is the interpretation of the color in the flag. The blue color, that we saw. The red color, the blood of Jesus. Comment up there. Many of those important houses in Puerto Plata, they're only with a C-color construction. Scooter, motor taxi, motor control. The yellow jacket over here. We have a public
Said this is amazing.
for the poor people.
Oh, you're
Even
right.
with air conditioning. So we
Hola. Thank you.
It's another typical food in Dominican and Puerto Rico and the Caribbean, because most of the food in the Caribbean is coming from our ancestors.
Hey JJ, what do you think?
Very good.
That we put in the bottle, we fill it up with honey, rum, and wine.
Marijuana?
Mom, I mean, Boulder, the lady who tutored me when I was a kid, is my mom. I swear.
Marijuana.
We come for the lady, name pay, don't worry. Get a little bit closer over here, because this
Thank
girl
you.
over here, she was... Lima is the limestone that are coming from the volcano that makes different minerals. And Amba is a...
And also the stone was discovered like
Beautiful.
Dominicans, you can take 50 cigars per person in the bowl. For Cubans, it's allowed only 25 binder. Lord, the wrapper always needs to be in place like this, fresh and cool. And after, you got it in the backyard? Yes?
Yep.
If you want to try something stronger than this, let me know, I'll give you the strongest one, okay?
JJ smoking a cigar in Dominican Republic. Ew, JJ.
You want to kiss?
What's a great beginner cigar? Would you recommend? Over here you have a nice picture of the Cove with the box.
Whoa. Cigars, coffee, and drinks. Peach Street. This is the Italian lady?
Doña Blanca, that's the Italian girl. So over here you witness another type of Mama Juana, and this is the best of Puerto Plata.
Oh no, thank you.
Oh my goodness, you got a picture. That good?
Very good. Very strong. Cafe Dominicano. River. We're on an umbrella street in Puerto Plata. Watching one classic American car go by. Huh?
Here, you want this? Mickey. Mickey. Can you eat it? Mickey, see?
Chocolate churro.
Grab one end of it.
Gonna break it? Oh, you want to bite it together? Well, hold on.
Ugh. You got it.
Everywhere. Churro and Puerto Plata.
You see the first Dominican that he went to play baseball in the United States. Oh, wow. 90 years old now.
Into the wild. Look at the size of that. But palm, some type. Debbie, if you see dinosaurs, turn around. There's the zip line over there. We're gonna walk back down the road instead of the steps. No, I'm good. I don't feel like that right now. Is that where we came up? Walk the road back down. A little cabana you can rent. That's the pools, lazy river. And the cabana's out on the water. Nice smell of chlorine. Nathan's Hot Dogs. We're out here checking out the water park before we get back on board. Almost everybody's gone now. So we still have an hour and a half. You next? This is a place where you can let the fish munch on your feet. Well, they'd be full on my feet. All right, back through the Duffrey. Yeah, let's go to rocking boat. Let's hope it's not rocking much. Here we go back on the ship. Let's try my first bite of banana cream pie. Let's see if it's better than Miss Edwards. Very good. It's almost like banana pudding.
You still have that $350 somewhere, all right? What case number are we opening next?
15. Let's pull back for a second. Think about
Saxe, Texas. That's S-A-C-H-S-E, if you're wondering. The 240-pound guy, a change of pace quarterback who's had a role in their recent games.